It is not by buying all the products you see. Let's say your favorite influencer is talking about retinol, you go and buy it. And then the next one is talking about vitamin C, you go and buy it. You don't know how to combine these two together. At the end of the day, you are layering tretinoin on top of vitamin C serum. Grab your pen and your paper and sit with me while I share practical tips on how to combine your skincare products, what you should look out for, mistakes to avoid. I'll be doing them all in this video. So this video is going to be packed. By the end of this video, you'll be able to combine your skincare products like a professional. And if you're new here, hi, don't make it your last. Please hit the subscribe button, like my video, share. Without further ado, let us jump right into the video. There are important things you need to note when you're trying to combine your skincare products. The first thing you need to know is you need to know your skin type. This is very, very important. Before you get that particular product you want to get, ask yourself, is this suitable for my skin type? Will my skin accept this product? This is the first question you need to ask yourself. You cannot build the right skincare routine. You cannot create a skincare routine for yourself if you don't know your skin type. Is your skin oily? Is your skin dry? Is your skin sensitive? Is your skin combination? These are questions you need to ask yourself, because your skin type determines the type of product you're going to use. It determines the kind of texture of products you need to use. For example, if you have an oily skin, look for products that are lightweight in texture. Don't use heavy moisturizers. Don't use heavy serums. Avoid oil-based serum. Focus on water-based serums. Focus on things that are lightweight in texture and that will not be too heavy on your skin. If you have a dry skin, the opposite of what an oily skin would look out for is what you should look out for. You need a creamy, thick moisturizer. You need to focus more on hydration, deep, intense hydration. If you have a sensitive skin, focus on things that are mild and gentle and fragrance-free. Step number 2, don't bombard your skincare routine with a lot of products. I've always said this, less is more when it comes to skincare. Because Mr. A is using tretinoin doesn't mean you need to use tretinoin. Don't overcomplicate things by using plenty 10-step, 12-step, 15-step skincare routine. Just keep your routine as simple and as basic as possible. Then the next thing is that you need to know how to layer your skincare product. Like, people don't know how to layer their skincare product. Some of you are applying your face oil before applying your serums. The way you layer your skincare products determines your result you're going to get. There are some products that if you use them before another product, it will prevent that other product from penetrating, hence making that your entire routine useless. When you are layering your skincare products, always start from the thinnest to the thickest. Start from water-based products like your toners to your water-based serums before going to your oily-based serums or products. Then go to your moisturizer. Your sunscreen should always come last. So if you have a toner, after cleansing your face, apply your toner first. You know how toners are now. Toners are very, very lightweight and watery. Apply your toners first. Then apply serums like your hyaluronic acid serum or your ceramide serums, those serums that are water-based, before applying your facial oils and then applying your moisturizers and your sunscreen. The one is that you should be careful with your actives. See, when it comes to actives, if you don't know how to use your actives, it's better you don't use it at all. This right here, gong, is where people make mistakes, because I don't see a reason why you'll be combining retinol in the same routine with glycolic acid. Why? When you're introducing actives to your routine, it can be very, very tricky. Actives are ingredients that does the main work in your skincare routine. If you have acne actives are benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid. Now, the easiest way to explain this active stuff is for you to make sure that you don't use more than one of these actives in a particular routine. You can use more than one in the same day. Maybe you separate them, use one in the morning, then use one at night. But in a particular routine, make sure you are not using more than one active in that routine. Now, if you're using any active in a particular routine, you can combine them with hydrating ingredients, barrier repair ingredients, or ingredients that will help to protect your skin barrier. I'm going to be listing these ingredients on the screen. Instead of using more than one high concentration active in your routine, you can combine them with any of these gentle actives. Another thing here is, how do you use them? When do you use them? Most of your treatment products are best used at night. You see your glycolic acid, your retinol, your salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, even your tranexamic acid, your kojic acid, all these brightening actives, use them. They are best to be used at night. When it comes to your day and night routine, your day routine should focus on protecting your skin, while your night routine should be focused on treating your skin. Now, the reason why you shouldn't use treatment products in your day routine is because there are lots of obstacles that would prevent you from getting your result if you use your treatment products during the day. During the day, you are prone to pollution, you are prone to environmental stressors, you are prone to the sun, you are prone to lots of things that can hinder you from getting results. So that is why during the day, you need to focus on ingredients that would help to protect your skin from all these factors. Then at night, when you be staying at home, you are under the environment or the weather is cool and calm, you are not going to stress yourself, you are not going to walk up and down to do your one activity or the other. That is where you'll be focusing on your treatment products. Next one is you need to introduce actives gradually. You know how tempting it can be to try out all the new skincare products you've bought. I've been a victim of that. I got new actives and I wanted to try them all at the same time, and I damaged my skin barrier. This is why I'm talking from experience. Starting your skincare journey, whether you are starting or you're a pro, and you want to include actives to your routine, introduce them gradually. This will not only help to prevent irritation or prevent damaging your skin barrier, it will help you know the exact product that is causing you reaction. Let's say your skin doesn't like glycolic acid, and you were using, let's say you were using salicylic acid, or you were using vitamin C or any other thing that is not glycolic acid, and you've been using it for 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 month, and it has been fine on your skin, and suddenly you include glycolic acids into your routine and your skin starts acting up. You will know that it is that glycolic acid that you added that is causing you reaction. But if you start using them together, you're using your vitamin C and your glycolic acid, even though you are doing them in different routines, you won't be able to know the exact product that is causing you reaction. Next one is listen to your skin. Do you know that your skin talks? Your skin talks when your skin start feeling excessively dry, you start feeling irritated, or your skin start becoming too sensitive. This is your skin talking. Your skin is trying to tell you that it is exhausted, it is overwhelmed from all your actives. Listen when your skin starts to act up like this, and know that it is time for you to take a pause from all those actives. Here are some common mistakes that you need to avoid, especially when you're using actives like chemical exfoliants or retinoids. Always let each layer of skincare products that you've applied on your skin absorb for at least 60 seconds before applying another one. So let's say you just applied your retinol serum, allow it to absorb very well before applying your moisturizer. Don't use too many actives in your routine. Like I've mentioned earlier, only use one active in a particular routine. This will save you a whole lot of stress, it will save you irritation, it will save you from damaging your skin barrier. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. This will help this video to go viral and to reach other interested audience. If you're confused, please let me know in the comment section. Ask any question you have and I'm going to reply. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, why now? Why? Please hit the subscribe button and join this wonderful family. Until I see you on my next one, have a wonderful week. Bye.